Alright everyone, this might be it. This might be my last episode for the year. Tonight, we're gonna be drawing the one, the only, you know him, you love him. That's right, folks. The legendary Pikachu. The one Pokemon superstar everyone loves. Everyone's been waiting a long time for this moment, and it's finally taken stage. We finally get to draw Pikachu. This legendary electric-type Pokemon has been Ash's best partner and best friend ever since the beginning. Seeing this Pokemon in action, I'll never forget all the good times Ash and Pikachu have been through. And all the attacks it's used, awesome. As you all have witnessed the power that Pikachu has had over the years, I'll never forget all of his moves. Witness the amazing power and strength of all his moves. Iron Tail, Quick Attack, Electro Ball, Volt. Alexa, play The Journey Starts Today.
Here's The Journey Starts Today, theme from Pokemon Journeys by Walk Off the Earth and Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Hold on, fans. We're not done yet. Let's not forget Volt Tackle, Electro Ball, Electro Web, and the greatest move of all, the greatest attack, Thunderbolt. No one can break that attack. There's everything Pikachu has to offer. We drew his red cheeks. And lastly, his tail. It's as long as shaped as a lightning bolt. And finished. There he is. The legendary Pikachu. I finally got to draw him. There's more that he has to offer. Alexa, talk to me, Pikachu.
Okay, here's Pikachu talk.
What do you think of my design of you? Are you excited to be on my series? Happy to hear it.